Now in our case, when we are running this command kubectl get node, then it is showing that our cluster is ready. That means master node is running, but the status is not ready because we need to install a networking plugin. Now various plugins are available. In our case, we are using the Kernel plugin. So we are going to download that from this site, https. This is the address of that file, and it is in YAML format. So we are going to download this by using wget utility. Then what we are going to do, we are going to run this command. Now please remember, kubectl is the command for managing this Kubernetes cluster, kubectl command. So we are going to run this kubectl apply -f min file, the name of the file that we downloaded. So what it is going to do, it is going to create a lot of Daemon set config file service account. That means it is going to install the necessary packages. Then after some, and when we are going to run this command, it is going to pull lot of images. And when we are going to run this command docker image ls, then it is going to show you which images it has pulled down from the from various repositories, and what is their size, what is their image id, what is the tag of that images. And when again we are going to say kubectl get nodes, because pulling the images, it takes time, so still it is showing not ready. When again we are going to run this command docker image ls, now it is showing that all the images has been downloaded. And then again when we will run this command kubectl get nodes, it is showing that it is the status is ready. That means now our master system is ready. Now what we need to do, we need to copy those token file to worker system, and again, and also this file that we used, this you can say this configuration file, that means this repository file, that we need to copy. So now in our case, we have installed the networking add-on and we are getting this message. Now next step is, let us first view the token. Now when we are going to run this command cat token, it is showing us which command we have to run. So kubeadm join, this is the name of which we advertise, that means master is running on this. Then this is the token, very big token. Then certain certificates hash are there. Now we are going to change the permission so that to make this file as executable. So we are running this command change mode 777. Now this will make this file executable, although giving so much permission is not recommended. You could have given only the execute permission. Now what we are going to do, we are going to secure copy. That means from this system I'm going to copy this repository file kubernetes.repo file which is in our etc yum.repo.d directory. This is the name of file where we are sending this file to 172.24.0.201 system, and in which directory, etc yum repo.d directory. And when first time you are going to run this command, it will say that the system, whether this system is safe, you have to say yes. Then it will ask for the password of a 201 system. We are going to specify the password. Then that means it is going to copy this file. Then again we have to use the same command and we are going to copy this repository kubectl repo into your 202 system also. Then we will copy the token file in 172.24.0.10 system, and we are copying it in root directory. Now because once we have specified this option, that means the system is secure. Next time it does not ask for the authenticity of the host. So secure copy, token is the file. So here we are sending 172.24.0.201 root, and again we are sending this token file to 200. That means basically in this step we have copied the Kubernetes repo file and token file to worker 1 and worker 2. Now we will go to the worker 1 and we will check the IP address setting IPAS ENS33. You will see that the address is 192.168.142.131. This was dynamically obtained. And what is the address of second interface ENS38? It is 172.24.0.201. And host name is worker1.example.com. DNS domain name is example.com. That is what we wanted. And SE status SE Linux is disabled, and your firewall is also disabled, and we have made the entries in host file, again those same 3 entries. Then regarding swap on status, here also the swap partition is there. We need to disable that. How we are going to disable? As we did in master system, we will go to this file, we will comment this line, then we will run this command swap of -a, and then with swap of -s status command we will check. Then we are going to make those same changes about firewall settings. Then we will run this sysctl -- system command to enable those settings. That means same, most of the things are same on all the 3 systems. Then we are going to run this command yum install yes kubelet kubeadm kubectl docker. Now it is going to download the files and it is going to install the file. And then what will happen? We will start the Docker temporarily, then we will enable the Docker Daemon permanently. Then we need to start the kubelet also, start with start command, but it will start the kubelet temporarily. That means next time again if we are going to reboot, again we have to run this command. So for permanent enabling we have to always run enable command, systemctl enabled, and with docker version command we can check what is the version. So this is the version. Then let us check the token also. ls-l token is there. So now with this command /token we are going to run that command. Now what will happen? It will join the cluster, and if you are going to view the token, it is cat token, it is showing you the token, and now it will start pulling the images, docker image ls. That means now in this step what we are trying to do, we are trying to join worker 1 to Kubernetes cluster. Now slowly and slowly it will start pulling the images. Now it has pulled the Kernel image, kubeproxy, pause image, it has done, and then we will see what will happen. That means now it is getting installed. Same thing we are going to do on worker 2. Then we will see whether all the 3 systems they are in cluster or not.